root to support it. Bowser, there should be deeper root to. Understood it? Is it okay? समझ में आ गया how and why? The gravity is less, then there is a means the whole mass is less. If the mass is less, then that to maintain this mass we should have what? Deeper root. Now we are coming for who has done geodetic survey of Himalayas? Huh? George Everest. Thereafter, yes. Who has done? Pratt. Who has done? At Kalyana and Kalyanpur, and he is finding that, and then also Airy, and they have found it. What is an Airy का पूरा नहीं है, लेकिन उसने कहीं कहीं थोड़ा सा किया हुआ है. And then he found it at two places. There is a what deflection. The two methods has been utilized. One it is in a plumb bob method, another is in a geodetic survey. One it is I said that plumb bob method, another is I said that geodetic survey to find out deflection. So they are expecting that the gravity should show if there is a depth, if the depth of the Himalaya, so there should be a heavy mass to show that more gravitational deflection, but it is showing what? Much more than the expected deflection. Much more, much less than the what I said that? Expected. I said that it is in a mass है, और यहाँ पर जब excess mass है तो नीचे में भी क्या होना चाहिए? Heavy mass to support it. But what we are getting? Mass deficiency. Yes or not? Beneath the mountain, the hypothesis that the large mountains have a low density roots was first proposed during the topographic survey of India and the Himalayan mountains, especially by the what is it? Everest. And how does this low density root form? As the mountain range becomes eroded, why are there not large negative anomalies due to the low density roots? Negative anomalies किसकी वजह से आएगा? Why we have got negative gravity anomaly? Due to the what? Less density. यदि मैं expect कर रहा हूँ large mass must have some more density to maintain this, लेकिन हमें कैसा दिख रहा है? Negative gravity anomaly. तो large topographic features effectively float on the astrosphere, follow the Archimedes principle. जो अभी मैंने सब आपको समझाया, वो किसको दिखाया मैंने? Floating. Yes or no? Floating को समझाया, different density and all. तो ये तो Airy has what? Airy has given. I said that इसको देखकर हमने क्या देखा? Root hypothesis. Next one Airy has given. Next one I said that Airy. Airy has taken this one. Airy has taken this one. और ये isopistic level की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. Remember that he is not talking about isopistic level. वो तो आज के डेट में हम लोग बात करने लग गए हैं after the scanner and all. This is clear. This is Airy, and this is in a one means यहाँ पर क्या है? There is a log 1, log 2, log 3 and log 4. इन्होंने क्या किया? He has taken the wooden log of different height and same cross sectional area. He has taken what? Wooden log of different height of same cross sectional area and put into in balancing form in the water. And he found the higher the height above the water, the log having higher height above the water, they have a deepest root. And then the height above the water is what? Low, they have a less deeper root. So one side he said that, what he said that? Yes, same density. Every topography of the earth's surface has what? Same density, but the height of that topography is balanced by their respective roots. Then the height of the topography is, I said that, directly proportional to, I said that, roots deeper roots. Height of the topography is directly proportional to the more the height of the topography, more the deeper root, less the height of the topography, less the deeper roots. And another point what he has taken? All topography, इसको first he said all topography has equal density. All topography has equal density. It means we can say that height of mountain is greater than the height of plateau, and height of plateau is greater than the height of plain. Yes, height of the mountain is greater than, and height of plateau is greater than height of plain. It means root of mountain is much greater than the root of plateau, and the root of plateau is much greater than the root of plain. Another point he said that he is explaining each and everything. जैसे अभी हमने क्या बोला, ग्लेशियर हमने क्या डाला, एक 10 किलोमीटर का ग्लेशियर डाला, और जब उसकी बॉयंसी फोर्स के साथ देखा तो उसमें दिख रहा है 9 किलोमीटर नीचे जा रहा है और 1 किलोमीटर क्या जा रहा है. So with the help of Archimedes principle and then glacier balancing, he took the example. Through the, what is a glacier balancing through the Archimedes principle, he has taken the example and put it into it. So which one I said that? Archimedes principle, and especially example किसको लिया? Glacier equilibrium in water. Glacier equilibrium in, I said, water. Clear? यहाँ पर कोई ऐसा एग्जाम्पल कोट मत करना जैसे मार्क्स जो किताबों में आज के डेट में लिखा आ रहा है. द वे दैट इट इज सेइंग दैट 9 किलोमीटर ऑफ माउंट एवरेस्ट विल बी सपोर्टेड बाय, आई सेड दैट 72 किलोमीटर ऑफ डिपर रूट्स. डोंट कोट सच काइंड ऑफ एग्जाम्पल. वनली ये बोलना कि दैट इज हैपनिंग. I said that what is the density of mountain? What is the density of plateau? And what is the density of plain? Near about same. So Airy hypothesis is applicable over only continent. It is applicable only over. तो इन्होंने क्या कहा? What he said that he said higher mountain, and then यहाँ पर he said that I said that lower height ocean has very less thick root in the substratum. इसी पोर्शन को लेकर, इस बात को लेकर इन्होंने यहां पर भी किया. If I said that this is what I said that ocean thickness over the, I said that substratum, then it will have a less deeper roots. See, इसको भी same density कह दिया इन्होंने. तो his concept is applicable only in continent, not in the what? Ocean surface. So density of plateau, density of plain, density of mountain, all are supposed to be the what? Same. Because all are what is in a continent? Sial. And then Sial is about what is the same density, but it is not applicable in Killer. So his concept is not applicable in, yes, in, so for the ocean floor, but only applicable to, yes, only applicable to, yes, continental topography. Even it has been said like, that is a controversial, even then some mountainous sea mount features on the ocean floor is also following. लेकिन आप लोग उतना जाकर नहीं लिखने की जरूरत है. So his concept is not applicable for the ocean floor, but only applicable to continental topography, because the continent has the same kind of it. तो दोनों जगहों पे इस concept को नहीं लिया जा सकता. So only his concept is applicable in the case of it. But further, अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा criticize करेंगे. क्या criticize करेंगे? In the present time, isopistic level and compensation level. That he did not talk about what is a compensation level. He did not talk about compensation level. इन्होंने ये ऐसा नहीं बोला कि यहाँ पर compensation same pressure and all it is giving. इन्होंने यही simple बोला, he utilized the Pascal's law. What is the Pascal's law? If you are putting in any liquid a pressure over there, the same amount of pressure will be applied everywhere. इसका मतलब कहाँ पर? ये तो मुझे बता दो. At which level पे that this theory will be, this what is the pressure is applying? इस पर apply हो रहा है, यहाँ पे apply हो रहा है, कहाँ पे apply हो रहा है? Tell me. He utilized the concept of Archimedes principle 1. Another, he utilized the concept of what? Pascal's law to distribute pressure. To distribute equal pressure. So लिख लेंगे नीचे में. He utilized Pascal's law to distribute equal pressure in the substratum. To distribute equal pressure in the substratum. But did not discuss about yes, isopistic level or compensation zone or तो इसको क्या बोला जाता है? दिस जोन जहां पे सेम आइसोपिस्टिक लेवल होता है, दिस इज नॉन एज व्हाट? कंपनसेशन जोन, इसी में सारे कंपनसेट हो जाते हैं, यस और नॉट। यहां पर सेम प्रेशर ये दे रहा है जो अभी मैंने स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द क्लास आई हैव गिवन, इसका वेट, और इसके नीचे सेम कॉलम में वाटर का वेट, दोनों सब यहां से थे यहां तक का वेट, एंड देन इट इज गिविंग सेम प्रेशर। सो ही डिड नॉट टॉक अबाउट what isopistic level and compensation zone. Then next we are coming for Mr. Pratt. Who is Pratt? And what he did in front of Himalaya, क्या किया इन्होंने? With the help of plumb bob method and geodetic survey at Kalyana and Kalyanpur, he found that the deflection of plumb bob and then geodetic survey is showing that gravity anomaly, negative gravity anomaly. Understood? जो दिखाना चाहिए था, कुछ बच्चे जाके 2.15 2.36 देखते हैं और वो चीजें पॉइंट्स याद करके कुछ नहीं मिलना।